Hey friends, welcome back to AppInsight AI. I'm Amelia, and today I've got something huge for you. After testing dozens of tools, I finally came across what might be the most mind-blowing AI video generator I've ever seen. It's called Clipfly AI, and the things it can do? Totally unreal. You're gonna love this. Now take a look at my screen. This isn't just some ordinary AI tool. Clipfly AI is an all-in-one powerhouse loaded with next-level features. When I hit the See All Options button, boom. The dashboard explodes with creativity. From a quirky AI kissing generator to a jaw-dropping face dancer tool that brings selfies to life with dynamic expressions, Clipfly's got it all. And trust me, that's just scratching the surface. It doesn't stop at faces and kisses. You've got AI video generation, talking avatars, and even a stunning image-to-video tool that animates still images into hyper-realistic video content. Let me show you just how powerful this is. I typed in a basic prompt, a girl running in the running track, and hit generate. What came out looked like it was produced in a Hollywood studio. But hold on, I'll show you that in just a minute. First, let's go over everything this beast of a tool can do. Trust me, once you see it all, you'll never feel the need to juggle between multiple apps again. And here's the best part. You can try it out yourself by clicking the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to the Clipfly AI homepage. The interface? Super clean and incredibly user-friendly. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This platform hides some of the most powerful AI tools available today. As I scroll down the homepage, you'll see some amazing example videos, each one more impressive than the last. There's this one titled Epic of Science that looks like it belongs in a Netflix docuseries. And check out this wild mountain climbing sequence. It's straight up cinematic. Now here's where it gets real spicy. I hover over the AI tools menu, and suddenly, a full list of features drops down. We've got the AI video generator, AI talking avatar, AI kissing generator, and way more. But today, we're laser focused on the AI video generator, and oh boy, you're gonna be amazed. So let's click on it and dive in. Right at the top, it says, Free AI video generator from text and image. Yup, you heard that right. You can create realistic videos with nothing but text or an image, like literal magic. I hit Get Started and boom, we're in the main dashboard. On the left, you'll see 3 creative options, text to video, image to video, and text plus image to video. We'll start with text to video. Let's enter a simple prompt. An action-packed shot of a woman snuggling up close with a lion, full of warmth and wild energy. Then I'll tweak a few settings. Select one video output, pick 16:9 aspect ratio for widescreen, set the mode to professional, keep the motion amplitude on auto, and choose the general style. You can also flip it to anime style if that's your vibe. Now I hit generate, and whoa, I mean seriously, the result is next level. It looks like something a top-tier digital artist would spend days creating. The lighting, the textures, the movement, everything just works. And that's only the beginning. Stick around, because now we're moving on to image to video, a tool that breathes life into static photos. Alright, switching gears. I click on image to video, and now it's time to upload a photo. I pick one from my library, a portrait of a young woman. On screen, you can see her, Chinese traditional dress, and a confident at metro station. After uploading the image, I choose professional mode again and enter a more detailed prompt. A young woman with Chinese traditional dress and a confident yet friendly expression stands at metro station. Feel free to elaborate as much as you like here. There are tons of style options to pick from. I'll stick with the default and click generate video. Just a few moments later, boom. Our static image is now an ultra-smooth, highly realistic video. The transition is buttery, the movement feels natural, and the quality? Easily studio grade. Want to save it? No problem. There's a simple download button right there. Next up, a truly unique feature, text to image to video. This one lets you generate an image from a text prompt and then animate it into video. Total game changer. Let's walk through it. I type a new prompt. A boy taking a horse for a walk outside, gently holding the lead rope. Optionally, you can enter a negative prompt to refine the output and avoid unwanted details. I go with the photography 3 style for a natural vibe and click Generate Image. A few seconds later, voila, a super cool boy and horse scene appears, but we're not stopping there. I enter an animation prompt. Animate this scene. Show the boy walking outdoors while gently leading the horse by its leash, both moving naturally. Then hit Generate Video. And there it is. The AI turned our fresh AI-created image into a living, moving animation. The flow is so clean, it's hard to believe this started with a few words and clicks. Seriously, Clipfly AI makes you feel like a creative wizard. But wait, there's more. Let's jump back to the homepage, go to AI Tools again, and click on the AI Talking Avatar. Now this is one of my favorites. A short demo video plays, giving us a preview. I click Get Started. Now we're on the Talking Avatar page. First up, upload your character image. I choose a headshot of an engineer. Next, I enter a prompt for the avatar to speak. Hello, I'm Engineer Justin. I specialize in designing and optimizing mechanical systems to improve efficiency and performance in industrial operations. You can make it longer or adjust it however you want. Now we need a matching voice. I browse through a few samples.
Welcome to Clipfly.
Nope, another one.
Welcome to Clipfly.
Still not it.
Welcome to Clipfly.
Ah, here we go. This voice fits the vibe perfectly, so I select it and hit start. Clipfly AI gets to work, and in seconds, the talking avatar is alive. You can see Engineer Justin speaking with realistic lip movements synced perfectly to the voice.
Hello, I'm Engineer Justin. I specialize in designing and optimizing mechanical systems to improve efficiency and performance in industrial operations.
It's scarily accurate and seriously impressive. You could use this for explainer videos, character intros, presentations. Sky's the limit. So that's a wrap on this Clipfly AI deep dive. Honestly, this tool is redefining what's possible in the world of AI video creation. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just love playing with cutting-edge tech, this platform has something for you. If you had fun with this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss out on the latest AI tools we uncover. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you all. And if you want to try Clipfly AI for yourself, just click the link in the description and dive in. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next video.